Poco F7 Pro just dropped, and you won't believe how much flagship performance they've packed into this mid-range price tag. If you're looking for a phone that punches way above its weight class, stick around because this might be your next daily driver. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives on the latest tech. Right off the bat, the F7 Pro nails the premium feel with a sleek glass back and flat aluminum frame. Xiaomi even upgraded the durability this year. Gone are the days of basic splash resistance. Now you're getting full IP68 dust and water protection, which is rare at this price point. The dual-tone design? Chef's kiss. Glossy up top, frosted below, it's subtle but adds just enough flair. Let's talk display because the 6.67-inch OLED is a stunner. QHD resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, and Gorilla Glass 7 eye for protection. But here's the kicker, brightness peaks at 1480 nits in auto mode. That's daylight visibility done right. No LTPO means it can't drop below 60 Hz to save power, but with 12-bit color and Dolby Vision support, media lovers won't complain. Audio gets a thumbs up too. The stereo speakers are loud and balanced, no tinny highs or muddy bass here. And the under-display fingerprint reader? Ultrasonic, lightning fast, and reliable. Storage starts at 256 GB, no microSD slot though, and it's all wrapped in Xiaomi's HyperOS 2 on Android 15. Think smoother animations, Gemini AI baked in, and killer software support for years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches. Performance? Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Yes, last year's chip, but don't sleep on it. This thing handles benchmarks like a champ, nearly matching 2024 flagships. Thermal management is solid, though heavy gaming might trigger some throttling. Battery life crushes its predecessor too. 6,000 mAh gets you almost 14 hours of active use. And 90W charging? 0 to 53% in 15 minutes. Just don't expect wireless charging, that's reserved for the Ultra model. Now the cameras. The 50MP main sensor delivers daytime shots with natural colors and insane dynamic range. Night mode? Shockingly good for a mid-ranger. The 8MP ultra-wide holds its own, even in low light. But the 20MP selfie cam? Meh. Detail could be better, though colors pop. Video tops out at 8K on the main cam, ultra-wide and selfie cap at 1080p, and stabilization is smooth for walking shots. So, is the Poco F7 Pro the ultimate flagship killer? For the price, it's dangerously close. You're getting a premium build, killer display, flagship-tier performance, and cameras that embarrass most mid-rangers. If you can live without wireless charging and a top-tier selfie cam, this might be your best bang-for-buck phone of 2025. Before you go, drop a comment, would you pick this over a OnePlus 13R or Xiaomi 14T Pro? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.